atira chuan mumangram angme ni a Mizoram Sarkar na thok zong Intel khom na Federation of Mizoram Government Employees and Workers FMGENW le Blue Mountain Construction Engineering and Services Private Limited te chuan Mizoram avoi khatna atan world class housing complex lian tak government complex luang mual aizola adin don ta hemiatan hian hunrei tak malo la ho to in Jaipur Pune le Kolkata le India ram mun sang sanga hetiang project lo to te zirchiang turin anlo fe chuak to ani atopa MOU sign in Federation Enclave din unreal thuta a Mizoram Sarkar na thokte puala he complex hi din tur ani
ke hi lalchuai lawa FMGNW Federation of Mizoram State Government Employees and Workers President Nilai kania Mizoram a hian sarkar kuatarte in dailona anasae bema hemi wang hian Federation chuan ma la chovin Blue Mountain Construction Engineering nen tuna hian thok khovin MOU te kan sign to a sarkar na thok zong suk adua piang tan helaya hian booking ati theya State Bank te Apex te Rural Bank te khang te ne khan he company in tai pa booking kan ti duani chuan bank lampagim minoti fel sak mai dona e book ge potumila a thawme
he housing complex design to architect hi khovel hua po larle mingthang IIT IIM le University shang campus le thimphu khopui Bhutan po lo design to Harvard University le MIT Boston swak master architect American me Professor Christopher Charles Benninger le ahote anni.
It's lovely to discuss this project because I think it's probably the most important project in the whole of the northeast region of India. This is a client-driven project. This is a project actually started by a union of employees of the government of Mizoram. They have been involved in the design from every part of the design, from the planning, the unit planning, and the layouts. It's an important project, and it's a project which is going to have a mark on the entire Northeast. It will become a prototype. It will be copied by everyone. So please see this project, study this project, and consider living in this project because it's not just a house, it's a lifestyle.
He project atana kan thopui te chu India rama anma ni line chewa achaber berte anni a Tata Consulting Engineers Limited Mumbai te India rama structural engineer lar Sanjeev Parekh SPA Consultant Private Limited Kolkata tele geology lama mithiam JP Geotechnical Consultants Kolkata te anni Mizoram hilir ngeng hlau omna zone 5 ani a thlinat na mun ani bok Ruat tuit lak tamna ani awangin leimin atam hle a hengzong din munzir chiang chung hian building himle tlo inei theinan mithiam ten uluk takin latest technology mangin an designa kholchang kang tak mangin multi level parking siam ani dona 24 hours electric power backup te water recycling plant te elevator lift chakchi te da ani dona fire safety network le security network po uluk takaduan ani
hemi sit satur hianin company chatak mai rohmanane Blue Mountain Construction and Engineering Services hi developer turania heng building hi Mizoram la ngai lo le hey India mar chaka po India ram tlang ram building complex a chuan a chaber tur le moi nai ber tur anga rohmanania a building design hi American architect khovel buma po ping thang tham Christopher Benninger ina a design architect propui takina design ania tin a building structure kanti arurel design tu tur po hianin India rama building chhok sang tak chhong somli somnga don lai te po lo design thang to ina an design ania wang hian a building a hi himle moi nai le chatura ngai ania heng kan building te hi chhong som ang borvel te ania hei ang ngai to mai chon chhong som ang te chu tlang rama te lin hin rama chadone mi ti hi miril ro mai theya amara che building design tu te hianin lir hinga po him turin Mizoram hi lir hing zone 5 a aumani ti hian chu teng him tur design chunia tun lai lir hing na sa tun nai de sam lir hinga te po khan 6.5 richter scale ti velte alonia khati ang lir hing ang the Mizoram ate chon omta sela kan building omlai tan chon na sa takin na chim do don ani chu te ni lai chon ni hian chonin 7.2 richter scale po him tur angin heng building te an design na chuwang chuan a chhawng som te chhawng kua te pawh ni selangin building a in chuan him tur angai ani tin a design a khan himin lo tha pawh ni sela construction a thalo palanga ti te pawh ngai tu an am ve theia a construction ti tu develop arena an ha thaw hi a in call tu monitoring and supervision ti tu tur hianin Tata Consulting Engineer Mumbai mi te hemi the an tel bok dona kan building nei tur hi ro pui le a sarkar na tok manin nei lo te point heng hi le ya nei thei tur ani dona tin a building plan thim hrim a pawh hi mizo tena kan du dan zong in chunga chiat ni that ni pa bang han chiat mai thei tur ang chi hian partition apin dan te pawh roman ni don he a heng te hi nei thoi anga lelomin acha kom hle maya a building a hian mi tam tak ril ru chhawng sang se ti hlau thon te polom mai thei chung thila chuan tuna kan chei ta kha adin hun tlang pui chuan ia lom lo turangai ania a foundation te pawh luk takin soil testing te pawh a leidin mun nge ni tia design ma test nei veka khami manga a foundation te le structure te pawh hi a building ru re le design ani ti hi kan thria da tha
flat apartment leitur hian voi khata aman ipek tlak vek kher angai lova za a sompe in ebook theni abak zong chu beng sang nen kan tho khowa wangin heng beng te hian olsam takin home loan housing loan mangin anno pui to mai don che ani flat apartment te hi alua lua ho tur ani lova alein ileidon ani dan ang thapa nei tu ni na le iro khom tu te hnena lan chon zel theina inei don bok ani
Bill Romega kania he legal advisor Blue Mountain Construction Engineering a hian legal advisor in Koma he danagi na tira tanga nge legal papers velte po enfel veka he tianga uluk taka keni te poina dan ang hoi zong po boy omlo tura roman kania tin hemi apartment ang omna turbik leidu tan po le thei chia siam tur khania om zia chu in ho le ka tianga rent anga ti mei pialama leya ownership ane tuni na te po nei thei tur khania tin ro lu tur legal era po in hlan chon the til tele tin midanga po thal chon the ownership transfer kanan tiang ane tuni na transfer in hlan chon the tur thil te roman na siam ania agreement verify tak kan ti dona
he complex hian clubhouse te in ti hlimna mun chi sang tele income khom na mun te departmental store tele in fiam na mun te akeng tel dona nun hlim om le changkang tak nei turin in buat seiro le he complexa flat apartment le facilities zong te hi khovela housing complex changkang le class sang tak te ter phatura duan ani tuna hian booking hon mekani a nakina ichian te yo lo nan kho atlai ma hian book vatro le
My message is that life is beautiful, that if we work together as a community, that is the team, I think we can create something uniquely beautiful, not just in the Northeast, but in India. We can create a community. And I think that's the most important thing people look forward to, a community with open space, with amenities, with other activities besides just work and rushing home. So I wish you all the best.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, toppling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
I'm ready now.
Hold your breath, it
to
gets
see.
better.